If there was ever a moment when American muscle met refined luxury, this is it. Today, we're stepping into pure late 60s authority, the legendary Oldsmobile 442, finished in breathtaking Ocean Turquoise Metallic with a Provincial White painted roof and restored to a standard that honors its original factory glory. This isn't just another muscle car. This is a matching numbers, factory-correct, investment-grade 442, priced at $54,995. And it represents one of the most balanced combinations of performance, heritage, and presence you can own in today's collector market. Take a slow walk around it. The Ocean Turquoise Metallic paint radiates depth under the light, a color that feels both vibrant and sophisticated. It's bold without being loud, confident without being flashy. And when paired with that crisp Provincial White roof, the contrast creates a timeless two-tone combination that defined upscale muscle in 1968. The optional fender stripes slice across the body with subtle aggression, reminding you that this car wasn't built to whisper, it was built to lead. And those wheels, correct 14-inch Superstock wheels wrapped in F7014 Firestone Super Sport Redline tires. That red stripe circling each tire is a detail that separates average restorations from serious ones. It's period perfect. It's exactly how a proper 442 should sit. Now let's talk about what makes this car truly special. Under the hood lives the heart of the legend, the matching numbers 400 cubic inch V8. Not a replacement, not a crate motor, the original displacement that left the factory with this car. Paired with a correct 4-barrel Rochester carburetor, this engine delivers that unmistakable Oldsmobile torque curve. Smooth, confident, and immediate. The kind of power that doesn't need to scream to be respected. Turn the key, the engine settles into a deep, authoritative idle. The dual exhaust breathes evenly, producing that rich muscle car tone that only late 60s American V8s can replicate. It's not harsh, it's not raspy, it's refined thunder. Backing that 400 is the legendary TH400 automatic transmission, one of General Motors' strongest and most respected gearboxes. Shifts are smooth but decisive, built to handle torque, built to last. Out back, the 12-bolt limited slip rear end ensures power is planted evenly to the pavement. This isn't just about straight line performance, it's about controlled, confident delivery. Now imagine sliding behind the wheel. The cabin reflects the restoration's commitment to originality, clean lines, proper trim. The original working AM radio still sits proudly in the dash, a beautiful reminder of a time when cruising meant tuning into your favorite station on a summer evening. This isn't a modernized resto mod, this is preservation done properly. You still get the comfort of factory air conditioning, a rare and highly desirable option in 1968. Power steering makes low-speed maneuvering effortless. Power drum brakes provide smooth, predictable stopping. It's a muscle car that feels substantial, yet approachable. And that's what makes the 1968 model year so important. 1968 marked the beginning of the second generation 442 body style, sharper, more sculpted, more aggressive than the earlier cars. The Coke bottle curves, the flared wheel arches, the longer hood, everything about it signaled that Oldsmobile was serious about performance. The 442 name itself carries heritage, originally standing for 4-barrel carburetor, 4-speed manual, and dual exhaust. It evolved into something more, a symbol of Oldsmobile's high-performance identity, and this particular example honors that legacy completely. Matching numbers engine, correct drivetrain, proper wheels, correct color combination, optional stripes, factory style presentation. It hasn't been over customized, it hasn't been modernized beyond recognition. It's been restored to factory specifications, which in today's collector market is exactly what serious buyers are searching for. At $54,995, you're not just buying a classic, you're buying documentation, authenticity, and preservation. You're buying the kind of car that pulls into a Cars and Coffee and instantly draws a circle. The kind of car that older enthusiasts nod at in respect because they know, and here's the thing about a 1968 442 in this condition, it's versatile. It's clean enough for shows, comfortable enough for weekend cruises, strong enough to remind you why muscle cars dominated American roads. And let's not overlook investment value. Matching numbers muscle cars with factory correct restorations continue to hold steady demand. Add air conditioning, a desirable color combination, limited slip rear end, and proper presentation, and you have a car that appeals to both drivers and collectors. This is the sweet spot of the muscle era, before emissions restrictions tightened, before horsepower numbers started to fall, before insurance premiums scared buyers away. This was peak American confidence cast in steel. When you stand back and look at this 442, the turquoise paint glowing, the white roof crisp, the Redline tires perfectly balanced in the wheel wells, you're looking at more than a car. You're looking at a time capsule, a machine that represents performance without apology and style without compromise. If you've been searching for a classic that blends authenticity, presence, drivability, and collector credibility, this 1968 Oldsmobile 442 checks every box. And once it's gone, finding another one with this combination of originality, options, and presentation at this price point won't be easy. This isn't just transportation, it's American muscle heritage preserved exactly the way it should be. And it's ready for its next chapter. If you appreciate true factory correct muscle, timeless color combinations, and the unmistakable authority of a real 400 cubic inch V8, this is your moment. Because cars like this don't just sit in garages. They become stories, and this one is ready to write its next